What's going on, everybody? So today I thought I would show you guys how I package my Rimaru rug. This is how I do all my rug packaging. So I haven't really showed the whole entire process. I usually just make like a short and then I just have you guys just watch those. And it's only 30 seconds, it's pretty quick. But I'll do a whole process video this time. Alright guys, so first step of packaging, I usually vacuum everything first, make sure there's nothing on there, make sure it's very clean because obviously I don't want to give you guys anything that's not clean. So let's do that. Alright guys, once everything's nice and clean, so set it down. So I'll show you guys everything I use. First, I like to, here it is. I just got some regular craft paper. It's a perfect size. What is this? Almost 3 foot. So for the first step, what I like to do, I lay down the cardboard first, or craft paper, and then I lay my rug on there. Let's see. Like this. And then I just begin rolling it up. And this is just to protect it from not only getting dirty, but, in case the box is damaged or anything. Anything can happen, You just want to make sure your rug is nice and flat. And it'll fit perfectly. That's the main reason. So let me get scissors. Alright, so after you have enough, want to cut it. Cool. Next step, I just put the sticker on there. There we go. All right, with the 3 foot box, pick up your project, put it in. First step. So I love to put a lot of cute stuff inside for them. So here it is. I have the receipt right here. You're gonna have to put that, obviously. This is the shipping label. I can't show that. But here's all the stickers and everything, the rug care instructions. We're gonna be putting all these in there, so let's see. Just as a little gift. And just so you guys know, I don't lick my envelopes. I use water. If your if your envelope comes and you guys think that it's licked, it's not. Hold on. Sometimes stickers are annoying. There we go. There's that. Rug care instructions. And then, next step, close it up. Alright, so this is the hard part. My camera got cut out, it died. So here we go. Last step. Last step would be to put the shipping label on. And usually I'm not gonna show it, of course. I just stick it on the side anywhere, it doesn't really matter. So perfect. And just as a final touch, I'm just gonna add one little sticker here. There we go. Peace. I forgot to show you guys Kai, so he's very satisfied, right? Alright guys, so pretty much that's it. I just shipped it out right now, so it's on the way now. Hopefully you get it soon. It's really nice, you know. I try to keep it as clean as possible. I try to give you guys as much stuff as possible and the highest quality possible for the cheapest price. And I do plan on raising prices, but you know, I'm not that popular, so you know, I'm trying to get up there. It's cool. I like to make quality products for you guys, so if you guys like it, it's in the bio. Support me if you want. It's up to you guys. You know, if you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification, because obviously you like what you see. All right, you guys have a good one.